It is a gathering of critical stakeholders from across the country to discuss issues that will better the lives of women both economically and socially. The concern among stakeholders is the marginalization of women in the country due to cultural and religious belief. In her presentation, Founder When in Need Foundation and Every Life Matters, Dr. Chetachi Ecton emphasized the need for critical stakeholders to rally round in changing the fortunes of women in the country.
All we have to do is educate our girl child, educate the women on about, raising their voices and letting everyone in the country hear about their concerns. Their life matters. We cannot sit around and let the men make all the policies that affect the women. The women should be in the power, in the position to make the policies that affect them. We women know what is best for us.
Other speakers re-echoed her submission on the need to have women representation in key elective positions.
The issue of gender equality should be recasted to allow for more gender participation so that the world does not create an environment of strife and competition with the men.
On the table where the decisions are made, then it's going to be another talk show. So I think that the message is that we need more women at the table where the decisions are taken. Otherwise, but like I said, we must continue to talk.
We are looking at going to Dubai next year, which we're going to create more platforms for other people to come in and speak and also enlighten others. So it's a global thing, so we keep expanding. You understand? So we are growing. This is not the first edition. We have like 6 editions and we keep moving on.
There was dinner and award night to recognize the contribution of some women in having better society. Among the recipients is Rebecca Esther Daniel, an athlete who traveled to India at the age of 16 years and won several medals.
Esther Daniel. And your father is here. Please, where is your father? Please, God bless you. Let's celebrate him.
Being very young at that age, it was so discouraging, but every time I constantly reminded myself where I was headed because I have a vision, and my vision is to keep pursuing my dreams regardless of what happens. So I'm going to advise people, young girls like me, to continue doing what they're doing regardless of the challenges they're faced with, because challenges are only going to come to make you tougher. Together, we're going to make Nigeria and Africa a better place.
It was a climax of event when Dr. Chetachi Ecton was honored, a recognition of her service to humanity.
She stands as one of the 50, among the 50